I want to show you guys somewhere that's really special to me. The PC Bang. If you haven't seen one before, a PC Bang is basically a room full of computers where you can play, obviously, video games. You can hang out with your friends. Here in Korea, PC Bangs are a huge part of the culture. They're in every city, they're in every little corner. So what I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna go sit down, pick up some snacks, and you know what? Maybe start up a game of Overwatch. Such a part of my understanding of Korean culture. I first learned about this when I was actually in junior high. For like $3 an hour in LA, you could basically play Counter-Strike. You're playing this game with other people in the same room, and it was just this totally different experience. This place is really smart. They have a menu on the screen so that you can have them delivered to your desk. I'm gonna get the cheese ramyeon. Gotta get the kimchi fried rice. Oh, with the egg on it, of course. Oh yeah, I wanna get the tteokbokki. Corn dogs here. I think that's good. We're gonna spend around, 20 bucks. You can see that the menu here, you're not getting like traditional Korean restaurant dishes like a full bibimbap or like jjigae or kind of more home-style dishes that your grandma would make. These are snack corner dishes, or like it's called bunchik. These are kind of like really casual, fun dishes that are easygoing. They're just simple, they're fun. Man, I'm gonna get some sauce on this keyboard. This is not good. Oh my gosh. This is awesome. Poach. Starting out with some cheese ramyeon. One of those things that you either love, you think is like amazing, or is like completely wretched, and then I'm generally a fan of it. This is American cheese in shin ramyeon. So pretty classic. Koreans have just amazing love and passion for instant ramen. Adding things like eggs and like fresh scallions to it, and certainly cheese. I mean, I grew up with instant ramen, cooking it since I was 10 years old. Tteokbokki is certainly one of my mother's go-to after-school snacks. If you have a nostalgia for tteokbokki, you can get it right here at the PC Bang. For them to have kimchi 볶음밥 with a fried egg on it at a PC Bang definitely passes the smell test. Oh my God, there's like octopus in here. That's so fancy.
곧 전투가 시작됩니다. 영웅을 선택하십시오.
PC Bangs represent the growth and the influence of games to Korean culture. I mean, even just the professionalization, taking the science of playing video games to an incredible level. And that's why a lot of the professional esports teams that play League of Legends, that play PUBG or Overwatch, generally Koreans are among the best teams in the world. And that's no accident. It's a result of millions of players, not really looking at video games like sort of an off-leisure activity, but rather, a pretty serious endeavor. In a sense, Korea was able to take video games to the mainstream first, and PC Bangs are sort of the community center for gamers. Lost. Thanks so much for watching, and click right here if you want to see more.